I'm kind of sober, but I'm not so, I mean.
Hit a button, Morty, give me a beat. Oh man, okay, all right,
What's up, my babies and kins? It's your girl KynThaDoll, and I'm back with another video. So y'all already read the title. Y'all know what I'm doing. Today I'm doing a maintenance vlog. I haven't done a maintenance vlog on my channel at all. So, and this probably be the first real vlog that y'all have gotten, because all of my other vlogs that I have on my channel are hair vlogs. I mean, this is a maintenance vlog, so I'm gonna be doing my hair, doing my lashes, because I just figured out how to do my lashes. So I'm gonna do my lashes and probably do my nails, manicure or something. My skin routine, brush my teeth. I really just woke up, so I'm sorry, y'all. But I'm finna brush my teeth right now. And yeah, we finna get into this video. But before we get into this video, before we get into this maintenance vlog, make sure that y'all grab all y'all maintenance stuff, because y'all finna do y'all maintenance with me. Duh. And make sure that you like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, so I know that you guys would like to see more videos like this one. And let me know that you're enjoying it. That's what that really does. Let me know that you're enjoying it. Help the algorithm of my channel. And yeah, I know to give y'all some more of these type of videos. This little band keep sliding all the way down. Comment, what do you do to keep your maintenance up? Like, my maintenance is my nails, hair, lashes, clothes. I mean, I'm not going anywhere today. I'm actually gonna be drinking today, because me and my sister gonna get a bottle coming to the crib. But yeah, so let me know, comment what y'all do to keep y'all maintenance up, and subscribe to become a Barbie or a Ken if you haven't already and you're new here. I post videos every other Tuesday or Friday. So Tuesdays or Fridays is when you can, you know, expect a video from me. I'm actually trying to get into dropping more videos like that. So yeah, I'm a new YouTuber, so give me some time, but I'm definitely gonna be having the videos coming back to back this year. We going up this year, period. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos with your girl. Now let's get to it. Do y'all floss before or after you brush your teeth? I floss before.
97 even. '97 even.
Alright, y'all, my lashes is done. What is this on my eyelash? On my eyelid. Ooh. Dang, it hurts. But I did my lashes, y'all. I really just got some old lashes that I really I've been having, like some Amazon lashes that I bought, but I don't really wear these anymore because I wear my sister's lashes. But they have these natural looking lashes, these right here. They look natural, so all these other ones, you know, but these right here, they're really cute and they look natural. So I just went ahead and cut them. As y'all can see, I cut them and I cut the band off just a little bit, but to where it still stays together, and then glue them in pieces. I mean, I really could have just got some individual lashes already, but wow, when I already have those, and I just cut them up, use hair glue. Sure did use my hair glue, and really I don't even use that glue for my hair. I honestly just use it for my lashes. And then after I finish doing them, I let them I let them dry, and then I use my spoolie and like just brush them out so that they look nice and fluffy. But I recently just started trying this little look out or whatever, instead of just putting a whole lash on, just trying like this. It really, if you never done like this, it really doesn't feel like I'm wearing lashes. Like, it feels like it's my eyelashes, because I guess because I cut the band off. But yeah, so we're done with the lashes. We finna get on to the hair, and then we're gonna do the nails and all that stuff. But y'all know, I already told y'all to run down, so yeah, let's get back to it. I really been jamming, y'all. I've been leaving the songs that I've been listening to, so if y'all be like listening to, we're not listening to that, y'all not listening to that, but I'm listening to it and I'm jamming, doing my little maintenance vlogs. So yeah, but yeah, they're really cute.
Even.
That sounds pretty well. So I had to pause my young pappy bit to show y'all, because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. This is my second time ever crimping this hair. I crimped it like 2 days ago, and then I just be leaving it in a bun, leaving it in a ponytail, keep up on it on my head. But I feel like getting up today and being pretty. I mean, I'm always pretty, but like my most highest pretty, you know? So we did the lashes, we did our face, brushed and flossed, hair done, hair is done now. So we're actually probably gonna get to my nails. It's not really much to do to my nails, but I usually like give myself little mini manicures, so I'm gonna go ahead, trim my nails down, file them, all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna get to that, and that's really basically gonna be the end of this video. But I've been vibing with y'all. I really been vibing to this music though, cause I'm finna press play. But yeah, we're finna handle my nails. Yeah, so let's go. I'm finna be honest with y'all. Right when I was finna do my nails, we decided to like go grab some Pizza Hut and wings. And like after I cut, when I said we was gonna get started on my nails, I already took like 7 shots. So I'm kind of tipsy right now. So I think it's just best if I just end the video right here. I really wanted to do my nails, but I'm not gonna be able to because I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to. So I'll most likely probably be having a detailed, you know, type of vlog like this again, probably like later down the line, months down the line or whatever. But I'm kind of tipsy and we still drinking. We're drinking this right here. This is the same drink that I was drinking for my do or drink video. If you guys haven't checked that video out, definitely go check that video out. I'm kind of sober, but I'm not so, I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Make sure that you guys like this video. Go back to the beginning to see what I said for comment, honestly, because I'm really trying to end this video. I really have to pee bad, but we finna keep drinking and stuff. So yeah, it's Friday. I'm gonna get lit, and I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all don't miss out on a video with me. But yeah, I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Fresh